Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on January 8, 2026, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. Turning to market performance at the Colombo Stock Exchange, the market closed on a mixed note today. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, declined by 45.79 points, or 0.19%, to close at 23,608.51, reflecting mild selling pressure across the broader market. Meanwhile, the S&P SL20 index edged down marginally by 0.57 points, or 0.01%, to close at 6,502.45, indicating relatively stable performance among blue-chip counters. Overall, market activity remained cautious as investors selectively traded amid mixed sentiment. Market activity remained steady during today's session. Total market capitalization stood at 8,418.55 billion rupees, while total market turnover for the day amounted to 5.21 billion rupees. Total crossings were recorded at 837.88 million rupees. The highest crossings for the day were seen in John Keells Holdings plc and Cargill's Ceylon plc, reflecting notable institutional activity in these counters. Domestic investors dominated market activity during the session. They accounted for LKR 4,970.63 million in total purchases, representing approximately 95% of overall buying. Foreign purchases amounted to LKR 240.98 million, contributing the remaining 5%. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded sales of LKR 4,935.20 million, again accounting for around 95% of total market sales. Foreign sales remained relatively subdued at LKR 276.41 million, representing just 5% of total selling activity. Now let's look at the top gainers of the day. SMB Finance, non-voting, led the gains, followed by York Arcade Holdings and Tess Agro, non-voting. Harishchandra Mills and Renuka Foods, non-voting, also recorded strong price increases during the session. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, recorded the largest decline, followed by Colombo Dockyard and Mercantile Shipping Company. UB Finance and Colombo Investment Trust also ended the session among the top losers. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Harishchandra Mills emerged as the leading contributor, followed by Commercial Bank of Ceylon and Nations Trust Bank. Sankadagala Finance Company and Ceylon Grain Elevators also made notable positive contributions, supporting the overall upward movement of the index. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. Colombo Dockyard was the largest negative contributor, followed by Richard Pearce and Company and Hatton National Bank. Cargill's, Ceylon, and Sampath Bank also weighed down on the index during the session. Thank you.